I mean, you can say it to her. She's just gonna laugh.
I'm taking one a biscuit now too.
What this is doing to her. Everybody wants to find this young woman and bring her back to her family. On February 20th, 6 weeks after Kiara disappeared, there is stunning news. Kiara's former boyfriend Trey is found shot to death near his apartment complex in Greensboro.